Hi, welcome to LMS tutorial using smartphone. We can navigate LMS access via smartphone or laptop. And for smartphone, we can use the website or via application. So for the website, we just follow the LMS tutorial using a laptop. It's just the same. So, may link na po dyan where you can watch the tutorial, the LMS tutorial. And for today, ang pag-aaralan natin is LMS just need to download the cornerstone app. So, yan po yung logo. Once nasa cellphone yun na, you need to click that and a new window will pop up. You just need to encode. You just click the alternative login and log in with credentials. After login with credentials, the same enrolled email address sa LMS ang kailangan ilagay nyo with the nominated password. You need to search traditional life insurance licensing course, then download it. The same thing with variable unit link insurance licensing course. So, meron pong traditional, variable, and general insurance. So, we need to complete these 3 modules para magkaroon po tayo ng certificate of completion. And yun ang kailangan para magkaroon po tayo ng temporary coded with us. There is a mock exam at the end of each course and 3 certificates. But before I'll show you where to get the certificates, let me show you the training calendars para alam nyo where are you going to register if you want to enroll virtual sessions. Okay, so punta lang po kayo sa link and after that, my training calendar. So, naka-insert po yan. Then, ito lang po yun. Then, choose po kayo ng mga learning. Okay, go back to you want to enroll. Link again. Tapos, choose global search. So, pupunta na po tayo where to get the certificate. Okay, the same with sa website. So, meron tayong my learnings dyan. Then, view my transcript. Tapos, you choose completed. The same thing. May drop down po dyan where you can view your certificate. And this is the certificate. So, note again. Let me remind you that we need 3 certificates. So, let's learn and welcome to Team Young!